Kalau tadi sudah memperkenalkan makanan tradisional, kemudian makan rujak, Cindy sama Lisa. Sekarang kita mengajak mereka ke Gua Kapur, Limestone di Arosbaya. Cindy, what do you think? This limestone?
Amazing, amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing to see where they've cut.
Yeah. This is getting hard, so they don't want to craft that anymore.
Too hard.
Yeah. They make a block stone like that one.
Yeah. Oh, that.
Keringetan. Mereka masih ke sana. Hari ini ngantar Cindy dengan Lucy dari Swedia, New Zealand. Habis ini kita akan ke pantai Telangoh. Habis dari Gua Kapur Arosbaya. Ikut terus ya perjalanannya YouTuber low cost nemenin bule dari New Zealand. Oke, rencananya berubah. Yang awalnya tadi kita mau ke Pantai Telangoh, namun saya rubah. Saya ajak Cindy sama Lisa ke pantai. Lebih enak di sini, tenang, gak ada pengunjung. Pantai serasa milik pribadi. Cuman ada bapak di sana. Oke. How are you today?
Yeah, good.
Good, yeah?
I have had a really good day, great day, fun day out exploring.
So can I ask your opinions for one day we have what do you call that? Visiting the tourism object. Opinion about my service to you,
Yes.
guiding today.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the where was it, we go to first, the limestone. The limestone, very beautiful. Hardly anybody there. That was really nice.
Yeah.
Exploring and seeing that, and then going to the beach that nobody knows, secret beach. The secret.
Yeah.
And the sea was beautiful and warm. Yeah, it was a very good day.
How about the guide service today?
The guide himself, superb guide. Yeah, recommend him.
All right.
Very much.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go to Lisa. How are you today?
I'm good.
Tired, yeah?
Very tired, but happy.
Happy? Okay.
Soon to have a duck meal.
Oh yeah. So can you give me your opinions about the tourism object in Madura and also the guide service?
All right. The guide was very friendly today.
Thank you.
And he explained what was happening,
Uh-huh.
and so we knew what we would be in for. And then he explained his own personal experiences
All right.
with going at the cave, and also how he found the secret beach.
Okay.
So we could, it was interesting.
All right. All right.
Good guide service.
Thank you. Thank you. Will you be in Madura in another time, Abi?
Yeah, most probably. If
All
we
right.
know what's coming up, then we can come along.
All right.
Yeah.
Keep contact,
My
yeah?
second time.
Okay. Oh, this is the second time, right?
The second.
Second time. All right. All right. Keep in touch.
That's right.
All right.
Okay.
Have a nice day, yeah?
Okay.
Back to your home. Oke, demikian guiding two bule from New Zealand, Cindy and Lisa. Di akhir perjalanan kita, the end of journey, we have a dinner, fried duck.
Fried duck.
Yeah. Alright, see, fried duck. Okay. Kita tuh Lisa and Cindy menghibur. Jika menganggap channel ini adalah channel yang informatif, edukatif dan juga menghibur, jangan lupa untuk mencet tombol like, share dan subscribe-nya. Dan jangan lupa pula di sebelah tombol subscribe itu ada tombol lonceng. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.